Hey everyone! Gather around, we're about to go on a smooth journey. Today we're talking about corn, or maize as some people call it. This humble plant has a rich history and many uses. Now, I know what you're thinking. Corn? It's just popcorn and those little yellow things Americans put in salads, right? Well, think again. That's not true. Corn is a serious crop, providing food for both humans and livestock all over the world. It's important for many diets and is a key ingredient in many products. It has many uses, from cooking oil to biofuel. Corn derivatives are found in plastics, sweeteners, and even cosmetics. So, whether you're an old-school farmer or a city person just getting interested in agriculture, understanding corn cultivation is essential. It's not just a crop, it's a cornerstone of modern agriculture. In this guide, we'll dive deep into the world of modern corn farming. We'll cover the latest techniques and technologies that make corn farming efficient and sustainable. We'll explore everything from preparing the land to harvesting the golden bounty, all while keeping things simple and hassle-free. You'll learn about soil preparation, planting, irrigation, and pest control. So fasten your seatbelt and get ready to learn about the fascinating journey of corn from field to table. By the end, you'll have a deep appreciation for this incredible plant. Hey there, fam! Let's get down to the nitty-gritty of preparing the land for our maize. First things first, you gotta clear the land, make it as smooth as a baby's bottom. This step is crucial for a successful harvest. Think of it like making a comfy bed for your prize-winning marrow, but on a much larger scale. The seedbed needs to be just right for the seeds to germinate and grow strong. First, we need to deal with any leftover crop residue from the previous season. These remnants can hinder new growth if not properly managed. Then, we plow it like a boss, turning over the soil and burying the debris. Plowing also helps to aerate the soil, making it more receptive to new seeds. Next, we want to break up any stubborn clumps and level out the field. A smooth field ensures even planting and better water distribution. This is where a cultivator or harrow shines, creating a smooth, even surface. These tools help to refine the seedbed, making it ideal for planting. Soil testing is crucial at this stage. It provides us with essential information about the soil's health and nutrient content. It tells us what nutrients our soil is lacking so we can add the right fertilizers. Proper fertilization ensures that the corn has all the nutrients it needs to thrive. Finally, we need to create those neat rows for planting. These rows help in organizing the planting process and ensure that each seed has enough space to grow. A specialized piece of kit called a ridger does this job, shaping the soil into ridges that improve drainage and warm up the soil faster. Trust me, this is the real deal. No shortcuts here. Let's get our hands dirty and make this land ready for some serious maize action. Right, now the fun part, getting those corn kernels in the ground. This is where the magic happens, transforming seeds into a bountiful harvest. Forget scattering seeds by hand like some sort of medieval peasant. We've got machines for that. These machines have revolutionized farming, making it more efficient and less labor-intensive. A seed drill, or planter as it's also known, is a thing of beauty. It's a marvel of engineering that has changed the way we plant crops. It carefully meters out the seeds, ensuring they're spaced evenly and at the correct depth. This precision is crucial for optimal growth and yield. Modern planters are pretty high-tech. They come equipped with GPS and sensors to monitor and adjust planting in real time. Some can even vary the seed spacing and depth within the field, depending on soil conditions and other factors. This adaptability ensures that each seed has the best chance to thrive. This precision planting maximizes yield potential. Healthy, evenly spaced plants lead to a more productive harvest. Timing is everything when it comes to planting corn. Proper preparation and timing can make all the difference. Plant too early, and the cold soil might hinder germination. Early planting can be risky if the soil hasn't warmed up enough. Plant too late, and the yield might suffer. Late planting can result in a shorter growing season and reduced yields. Generally, it's best to plant when the soil temperature reaches a steady 50 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 degrees Celsius. This ensures the seeds have the warmth they need to germinate. This usually falls sometime between April and May, depending on your location. Knowing the right time to plant is key to a successful harvest. Corn, my friends, is a thirsty crop. Getting the right amount of water at the right time is crucial for healthy growth and a bumper harvest. Depending on your climate and soil type, you might need to supplement rainfall with irrigation. There are several ways to water your corn. Surface irrigation, like furrow irrigation, involves channeling water between rows. It's a bit old school but can be effective. Sprinkler irrigation, as the name suggests, uses sprinklers to mimic rainfall. It's more efficient than surface irrigation, but can be more expensive to set up. Drip irrigation is the most efficient method, delivering water directly to the roots. It's a bit like giving your corn plants a personalized drink. However, it's also the most expensive option. Section 5. Fighting for the harvest. Battling pests and diseases. Ah, the joys of farming. Just when you think your corn is thriving, along come pesky insects and diseases, ready to ruin your day. But fear not, we've got ways to fight back. Regular scouting is key to early detection. Keep an eye out for any unusual signs: wilting, discoloration, or unexpected visitors like aphids, corn earworms, or armyworms. If you catch an infestation early, you can often nip it in the bud with targeted pesticides. But hold on. Before you go all chemical warfare on your field, consider eco-friendlier options. Introducing beneficial insects, like ladybugs, can help control pests naturally. Crop rotation is another effective strategy, disrupting pest life cycles and reducing disease pressure. Section 6. Reaping the rewards. Modern corn harvesting techniques. Finally, the moment we've all been waiting for, harvest time. Gone are the days of hand-picking corn cobs. Today, massive machines called combine harvesters make light work of this once laborious task. Picture this: a combine harvester, like a giant metal beast, rolls through the field, gobbling up entire rows of corn. It strips the cobs from the stalks, separates the kernels from the cob, and spits out the unwanted bits, all in one go. The harvested kernels are then transported to grain bins for storage or directly to processing plants. Modern harvesters are equipped with sensors and GPS technology, optimizing efficiency and minimizing grain loss. Section 7. From field to table. Processing and utilizing corn. Now that we've harvested our bounty, it's time to talk about what happens to all that corn. Corn is incredibly versatile. It's processed into a staggering array of products, from the obvious, cornmeal, tortillas, and breakfast cereal, to the surprising high-fructose corn syrup, ethanol fuel, and even biodegradable plastics. The first step in processing usually involves drying the kernels to reduce moisture content and prevent spoilage. The kernels are then cleaned, sorted, and often further processed depending on their intended use. Some corn is milled into flour, while some is processed into starch, oil, or sweeteners. The possibilities are endless. Section 8. Sustainable corn farming. Caring for the land and future. Farming isn't just about maximizing yield, it's about being responsible stewards of the land. Sustainable corn farming practices aim to minimize environmental impact while ensuring long-term productivity. One key aspect is reducing reliance on synthetic fertilizers and pesticides. This can be achieved through practices like cover cropping, crop rotation, and integrated pest management. Cover crops, like clover or ryegrass, planted during the off-season, help improve soil health by adding organic matter and suppressing weeds. Conservation tillage, which minimizes soil disturbance, is another important practice. It helps conserve soil moisture, reduce erosion, and improve water infiltration. By embracing sustainable practices, we can ensure that future generations inherit healthy, productive farmland. Section 9. Troubleshooting and tips. Common challenges and solutions. As with any type of farming, corn cultivation comes with its fair share of challenges. But fret not, for every problem, there's usually a solution. One common issue is weed pressure. Weeds compete with corn for nutrients, water, and sunlight, potentially reducing yield. Mulching, timely cultivation, and herbicide application can help keep weeds at bay. Another challenge is pests and diseases. Regular scouting and early intervention are crucial for minimizing damage. Crop rotation, resistant varieties, and integrated pest management strategies can help keep these problems in check. Section 10. The future of corn innovations and advancements. The world of agriculture is constantly evolving, with new technologies and innovations emerging all the time. Precision farming techniques, like GPS-guided machinery and variable rate technology, are revolutionizing corn production. These technologies allow farmers to apply inputs, like fertilizers and pesticides, with pinpoint accuracy, optimizing resource use, and minimizing environmental impact. Drones are also being increasingly used in corn farming for tasks like crop monitoring, irrigation management, and even pesticide application. Genetically modified corn varieties are another area of ongoing research and development. These varieties are engineered for traits like pest resistance, herbicide tolerance, and drought tolerance, potentially leading to increased yields and reduced environmental impact. Section 11. Conclusion. The enduring importance of corn. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of modern corn farming. We've covered everything from soil preparation to harvesting, from pest control to sustainable practices. Corn truly is an amazing crop, feeding the world and fueling countless industries. As global demand for food and fuel continues to rise, the importance of efficient and sustainable corn production will only become more critical. By embracing innovation, adopting sustainable practices, and continuously seeking ways to improve, we can ensure that this humble grain continues to play a vital role in our lives for generations to come. Right, I'm off to have some popcorn. Cheers.